Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Adnan Ali and I am Deputy District Prosecutor ICT. Today I am going to talk about the general overview of the criminal justice system. As far as criminal justice system is concerned, it involves many stages and there are many proceedings in it. So first of all, we start from the example that a person has committed the offense of murder of another person, and the relatives of the deceased lodged an FIR. After lodging of the FIR, the accused approaches the session court for pre-arrest bail, and we suppose that this is a 302 case. So in 302 case, the pre-arrest bail of the accused is not confirmed and he is arrested from the court. After his arrest, the IO interrogated him and within 24 hours he is produced before the Elaka magistrate for physical remand. The Elaka magistrate grants 5 days physical remand. During this physical remand, IO interrogated the accused and the accused led to many recoveries. He is again produced before the Elaka magistrate and the Elaka magistrate again give 5 days physical remand. The interrogation is conducted during this period, and then accused is produced again before the Elaka magistrate for more physical remand, but this time we suppose that after 10 days of physical remand, the magistrate declined the request of the physical remand and sent the accused to the judicial. After judicial, the accused then approaches the session court and apply for post-arrest bail. This is 302 case, and we suppose that the bail is declined, post-arrest bail is declined, and then comes the very important stage, and that is completion of the investigation. The IO, after completion the investigation, handed over the file to the SHO. The SHO then sent the challan to the prosecution, and then that challan or report under section 173 goes to the Elaka magistrate, and the then magistrate then forwarded it to the session, and then session mark it to the additional session judge. So then comes the very important stage, and that is the framing of the charge. As far as charge is concerned, before framing, the documents, relevant documents as provided under section 265C hand over to the accused, and then charge is frames. As far as charge is concerned, the thumb impression and signature of the accused are obtained on the charge sheet. The prosecution is asked to then produce the witnesses. The prosecution produces the witnesses, and defense is asked to cross-examine them. The defense cross-examine them, and them after the cross-examination of all the prosecution witnesses, the prosecution then give up the unnecessary witnesses and rely upon the laboratory reports and close the prosecution evidence. Then the next stage is 342. It is also a very important stage. The court asks from the accused many questions, and then the accused answers them. The one of the most important thing of the 342 is that the accused is asked whether he wants to give any statement on oath under section 340, or produce his own witnesses, or rely upon any document. So we suppose that here the accused does not opt to produce his witness or give his statement on oath or produce any documents, because in most of the criminal cases the accused doesn't opt to become a witness on oath. So here, after completion of 342 stage, then comes the stage of arguments. Both the parties are argued the case, prosecution and defense. After that, there is a stage of judgment. The day is fixed for the judgment, accused is produced before the court, and then we suppose that here in 302 case, the accused is convicted, and the court announced before the accused that you has been held guilty by the accused by the court, and you are awarded the capital punishment for the commission of the murder of the deceased. So I hope you like this video, and I have told you the overview of the criminal justice systems, and how it works and what proceedings are involved, bail or 342 stage and witnesses, stage of witnesses and cross examination. It's a general overview, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you very much.